Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys haven't seen this face in a while. Anyways, today on my channel, today's video is going to be about something that I've kind of been seeing like for the past couple years, but it kind of died down within the last, I don't know, a few months or so, and I'm gonna start messing with my bangs. I need to stop doing that already. I'm gonna be doing the Activated Teeth Whitening Charcoal, Activated Charcoal powder. This one in particular is from Fiberganic. So that's all of that. Here's all the info for that. Hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah, I just recently got this and I'm super excited to try it. I'm a little nervous because I don't really do much to my teeth. It's been a while since I actually done whitening. I do have, I believe it was a couple years ago that I got a system off of QVC and I used it. I loved it, but it's pain. It's a pain because you have to literally like brush on a liquid and then you have to put on a gel and then you have to put in the light and then you have to wait and you have to put it in your mouth and we'll have the light on. Like I said, I loved it, but it takes forever to use, and so I've been wanting to try this for like the longest time, so I finally got my hands on one. This particular size is a 2.1 ounce little jar, and this one's made of organic coconut husk, ultra fine powder, which it is. I kind of already opened it to kind of touch it and see what's inside. It naturally whitens teeth. It freshens breath because apparently one of the ingredients is mint. It's peppermint, so that's exciting. Fluoride free, baking soda for added whitening, and proudly made in the USA. So I'm gonna try that for you guys today. I already took a before picture, so I'll insert that here. And as soon as I'm done with this one, I will go ahead and do an after picture and put them side by side. I know there's a lot of videos out there that show their before and after, but they don't put them side by side. Mine, they're not that bad right now. They look white on camera, but you know, my bottom teeth are kind of gross. And excuse the pimple, it's actually like, it's healing, but yeah, I kind of messed with it already because it was just bugging me. But anyways, so the directions say wet toothbrush, dip toothbrush into charcoal powder, brush gently for 1 to 2 minutes, and pay special attention to stained teeth and rinse mouth well with water. Okay, so I'm in the hallway in my parents' house because I don't really have a space to film in my room, plus my room is like one of the darkest rooms in the house because teenage me wanted to like paint the walls like a super dark blue. So yeah, that didn't work. So I have my little thing here. I've already kind of soaked my toothbrush here. I have a paper towel on my desk. I'm opening it. Okay, look at it and check that out. I'm not gonna like tilt it, but there's a lot of powder in here for the size, and it's a pretty good amount. So okay, wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Let's, I should probably go get a towel or something because this is gonna get really messy fast. Okay, here we go. That is so gross. Okay, I dipped it a couple times. Whoa, that is a lot of powder. I'm gonna close this thing so I don't spill anything. Okay, here we go. I have a mirror down here, so if I'm looking down, that's because I have my mirror down here. Okay, oh Jesus Christ, this scares me. I'm gonna put the camera down a little. Oh God. Holy shit, that, that is a lot of black. Okay, 2 minutes. It's minty. Okay. Sorry, I didn't want to spit in front of you guys. What I kind of did. I'm gonna go rinse and we'll see the end. Look at that. That's Careful if you guys ever do this, because this is really gross. Yeah, that's bad. Okay, I'll show you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm back. Look at the difference. It is huge. I still have some black in my teeth, so be careful because I have gums that are like higher. But look at that. They're white. They're like pearly white. It's crazy. Like I said, I still have some black. So you gotta make sure you brush your teeth again. But I am impressed. This is the first time I've used it. I haven't touched this stuff. It's the first time I've used it. My teeth feel great. That is great. And here's the plus side. So it is extremely messy, so you have to be very careful where you do this. But I mean, it's not a lot, because this is literally what I had in my mouth. Because yeah, that's kind of gross. Sorry guys. But other than that, yeah, like I said, other than that, this stuff works. It's simple. My teeth feel good. They don't feel super sensitive. Excuse me. I have sensitive teeth as it is. I use Sensodyne toothpaste since I had my little one. So I've had to use that one for a while because my teeth got super sensitive as I got older. I think I was like, well, I was only 25 when I had him. So, yeah, this is great. And of course, it doesn't say how much you actually have to use it. Well, it does give you warning, so there's cautions. If you have crowns, caps, porcelain veneers, it is possible that the activated charcoal may stain them. These are my teeth, so they're not stained. There's still charcoal like in the middle, but floss could take it out. I mean, I kind of did it, but I must have missed some. Stop using it if your teeth become sensitive. Like I said, normally with like major brand toothpaste, you feel sensitivity right away. Like they start hurting. You can't mess with cold water. This didn't give me that feeling at all. Of course, you know, I suggest going to your dentist before you really go and start using this kind of stuff. And it tastes like mint. I mean, it's a slight flavor. It's not overpowering. I don't feel super minty right now in my mouth. It's clean. Obviously, I brushed my teeth with the toothbrush, but that's great. Look at that. That's crazy. They're white. I'm impressed. So I definitely recommend it. I will have a link to this particular powder website down in the description box. So if you guys have any questions, please leave me a comment. Hello. Please leave me a comment down below asking any questions. I'll be happy to answer as best as I can. But I'll leave the link for this in the description box below, along with any other information you know, you might want to try or whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little demo for you guys. Like I said, I've been wanting to do this for years, but I'm impressed. So I'm very happy with how my teeth look now. I'm gonna keep using it. I suggest, you know, getting some. It's super simple. This one in particular, because this one you literally only have to use a little bit. You have to wet the toothbrush, dip it into the powder, 1 to 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, you're done. I think I've heard where you've had to put it on and you have to wait for 5 minutes. So yeah, okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I rambled on enough. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Cheese.